We just opened our dream resort, but let me take you behind the scenes. Today's episode 5 of building our dream resort from scratch. Tulad ng lahat ng mga nagpapagawa or nagpapakonstruct ng anything, there will always be setbacks. Number 1 is documents. Government documents. Ayan. Isa sa mga setbacks namin yung government documents. Medyo natagalan kami doon. Next is the weather. Friends. Nag-start kami magpagawa January 2024 and it took us more than a year to finish the project. Dapat less than a year siya pero may mga supplier delays, the weather. Tapos if you would remember nung October, nagkaroon ng malakas na bagyo. It really did affect Calatagan. Parang mga nasa 75% of the construction na kami noon. Tapos hinangin. As in, talaga yung mga kisa may bumagsak. Meron kaming mga gamit na nabasa, yung mga semento namin nabasa, yung mga glass nabasag, ayun pa naman yung bulk of the mahal, nandun yung bulk of the budget. So, from mga 75% done with the construction, naging 50% done. Friends, that cost us millions sa oras, sa construction materials. Grabe talaga yun. As in, ngayon na kinikwento ko, parang it was such a relief. Pero nung time na yun, I was really devastated.